But to get things started, I thought I would share a confession that I have to make. And if you go back to October of 2013, I was really struggling with what the vision for this organization was going to be, what we were really going to do with Rise Performance Group. And I was looking for help. I was looking for somebody that could come in and help me kind of figure out how I should structure this thing and what our workshops should be like and what these events should be like. And I brought different people in to give me their insight. And I'd call up these quote-unquote experts in the Metroplex, coaches and people that ran other companies, and I'd bring them in to get their opinions, either through a phone discussion or I'd meet with some of them in person. And what do you think those people said to me when they came in and met with me? Any idea? Anybody ever been at a place where you're kind of not sure, just not owning what your value proposition is and how you want to move forward with your career? Anybody relate with this? Okay. Has anybody ever seeked outside counsel maybe to help you? Well, if your experience was like mine, when I would invite these people to come in and meet with me, they followed one of two patterns. Number one, they would come in and point out all the things I was doing wrong, right? And believe it or not, I already knew all those things. You know, it was pretty obvious. I already knew all my problems. Or the second kind would come in, and they would just talk about themselves the whole time. Brrr, tell me how great they were, and it was all about them, right? But then I met this one guy that came in and met with me, and he was a little bit different. And what he did was he came in and he asked great questions. He listened. He took the time to show up at my events. He took time to learn my materials. He took time to look at what I was doing. And instead of criticizing, he started building on the things I was doing and really started putting a lot of confidence in me. And as a result, he gained a lot of influence. We started brainstorming a lot, and really, I would give him full credit for where Rise Performance Group is today from a company and where I am as a person that's standing up running this workshop. There's no way I'd be here doing this without this individual. And this individual is with us today. He's still here adding value. Today he's here as our photographer, and his name is Bob Kaplitz. Yeah. So Bob, I just wanted to take a moment and just publicly thank you for everything that you've done and everything that you continue to do to build into me and build into Rise Performance Group. And my hope, my vision is someday that I can make the same kind of impact on others that Bob made on me.